Our Maytag Bravo makes a strange squeaking sound when agitating. It almost sounds like a bleating sheep. What could be causing that? Thanks, Bill.
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. Is the noise only during the agitation portion and not during spin?
Hi. Yes, just during agitation.
Okay, so you're going to want to check the gear pulley on the bottom of the washer. It's above a plastic cover, and if the center bolt gets loose, it will start to make odd noises. Other than that, the only other thing that would make noises during agitate and not spin is the gear case itself, transmission, so it would need to be replaced if there is nothing wrong with the pulley. Below is a video that shows you how to remove the cover and such so that you can check the pulley. If you have any other questions, please ask me, I'll be happy to respond. You can continue asking follow-up questions until you have all the information you need, even after rating my service. Thank you.
Thanks, Doc. I'll check that out. Thanks for the video, too.
No problem, and I wish you only the best.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.